Glory be to the Most High. Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. Give thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. I like the comment them, because I read them and see, what people's opinion. Because we're there on the virtue of moving forward. You know what I mean? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Watch this movie. Tell me what you think. You know what I mean? Share with your friends and loved ones. We try our best. Let's go.
I had some band. I had some band. I had some band. Look how we want. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. 7 Mile of whites and pan in the grill side. Link ski connection and go for a ride. Horseback riding for a sailing in the day. Then go and watch the sunset at the Rigs Cafe. Cool on his water park for the whole family. Or Dolphin Cove on the way to my bay. Or do the rafting down by Martha Bray. At Margaritaville you can chill all day. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. The curves and turn a firm gully. You're in Jamaica, so don't hurry. Don't pass the craft item vendor. You have to purchase things to remember. Ripe banana, mangoes and sweets up. And the birds singing sweet songs in the treetop. Bob Marley Museum, let's go see that. You see in Jackson record.
What are you watching? Alright, let's say, go on. Come on, let's show us, man. No, man, that's a shit make people go down. Yeah, come on, come on, yeah. What is? Everything hurts. It's a dry one. It's just stay now, cook. Where you get 2 hands to do? Where you get 2 hands to do? Sit down look pretty. I don't want to do anything on me. Pick up on the kitchen. This is nothing. You're bright, boy, sister, now cook. Well, then my finger here. So what, my girl? What one? That's a no cause.
I say, Papa, Papa beg my mother money till she get tired and send me money already.
Yeah.
And she laugh on something.
Yeah.
John! Who listen? You see your money? Hey? And then what's in there?
When they don't trap people because of that. What beg too much?
You should be chatting in the car. What more that thing making you your mother that the $50 US there now? I mean, buy our water out of that the same money there.
Hey, Papa, every day you come and give me and beg me dinner.
So if your mother really complain about $50, she's a meal with stingy rich.
Yeah.
But you only have to know, because everyone we have family. And you sit down and chat with
But that's a don't get no Anna. The man not in a fryer.
Listen, I don't mean you tell every now and take that, you know.
Stop the human money, human don't have it.
Listen, who have it?
She don't have it.
I see a man one little young boy crossing the road.
I didn't give my young boy. I said to make a young girl in my new.
No, watch my business, you know. That's a hard life I go reach, you know.
No, I let not reach my bad man. I'll take you.
Listen, remember this house that it belongs to my mother, you know. I feel my mother, my mother, you know.
Hello, when you love chapel business, that happened to me.
Listen, more listen and make it to your mother, you know. Tell him, say, I will not make it no more money. Because you see me, when
I chat, he said that bomb no one didn't reach a yard. That's why I me beg you want extra. And that's why I get some of the money. See, my mother alone, me make sure say me eat. She eat. We don't have no problem. I say, ever beg you till mackerel?
Me hungry right now. Me beg me till mackerel right now because me hungry.
Little girl, I'm going to the kitchen. You know, I get a fire out of my present.
Hey, me go in the kitchen because I'm in the kitchen.
Yes, I look so me yam.
No.
Me hide them in the cabinet and lock.
Guys, me check the cabinet already.
No, you can't go in there. In
The
lock.
only thing we see is salt. That's the only thing we Jamaican woman
Yeah,
have.
me put it in the other side of the cabinet, the one where you can open. Yam salt, because they're vampire. All
Tell
of
them
them
that when it's my number, in delete it, black it and ring
how she not call you?
John.
Are you a call she? Are you fi delete it, block it and stop calling and begging money for my girl? Let's go to the place, man. Tell her I give me more video.
Michelle, sir.
Me love her as a family member, but
Michelle.
why you just rascal? Roger, $9. Move, man. The long pay girl them go make them $50.
They are $20. Mommy not $1. You can't buy it.
Cause that's never seen ya. Tell your mother say me say, if you tap, they send money for Papa all the time, call him a do a mind girl with it. Right.
Now tell her for true.
Jam, you see me a mind girl. You see me a mind girl, girl. You see me a mind girl.
Hey!
Because me see you.
Not bother with it now, yeah. Hey, not bother with it now, yeah. Cause, just go on. Me take care of the pig, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You might give me money. You might give me money. You want that, yeah. I don't think enough for that beg out a family member them money. For your child, go look work out something. You know, beg no money from me. Come on, but me no want me in and nothing. You're the family, I say, come on, man, if you did. Go on. Yeah, man, me no want hear. Make it talk now.
Hold on now. I want to be in the bathroom before me hear all of them. Me need to try to flush tight. How you flush? Because the one that me use up on my phone when me get up, it does.
So you're telling me say I flush the toilet?
I don't know the one that flush.
Well, yeah, she will flush it and then what does she do? People tell me. Come back. She used to do. Come back. You can't tell me. Just since you pick up him, go flush it. Alright. You don't go run it because I used to work in a pit tile. At least me did that make me little dividends. What you do for yourself right now other than fast and be people business? Stop square up with me. Alright. Yeah, me wanna stop square up with me. This is the way I want to say, man. How that?
Live and living colors, man. I'm going. I'm going young one.
You're not good enough for me. Hungry.
You're hungry. That's how.
I just hear brother you're hungry.
I'm not good, man.
I just have food. You're not feeding.
What one? You try calling my phone and not going phone. Why with that phone?
Who me there for?
No, I know she's that phone, but why with that phone?
No, me know me there Jamaica. How do you me know say what do you?
When I talk to your mother.
She not let me talk to her. Stop telling like family girl. She not put credit on my phone.
So I'm going. What about your mother? Who are them there flying around now make money for what? You get money?
Yes,
So,
all the time.
you get them money when you get money? When I'm fine, believe me. You go no money?
Give your money. Stop telling lies. Let me say stop it. I just $10 you where she gives me. Ingi at least little last long. $10 they get. $10
You don't know. I pass any I pass through, you know. But we do a check pound and say, alright, on the balance out, right? I'm going to come here tomorrow, come do some work. We start tomorrow to build the fence here, but we'll get the post and put in and bag of
phone
things.
ring upstairs.
Tomorrow, your phone ring, go and answer your phone. Go and answer your phone if you put your mother call. Go and answer your phone. Oh no, God, don't let me know they're lazy.
Let me tell you this, Stitchy. We need to have a serious talk about Britney, but I want next time.
But listen me now. You see, Jack, you see, I don't want you to take up Britney on your case like your daughter, you know. Your sister.
I'm here one day, mommy they are fine,
But
mommy
me
let
know.
him go on the road.
No, let him go. But me I say, don't take up like your daughter. Because I never take you up as my daughter because I'm the older one for you.
No, because you're busy.
I didn't let you go.
You're busy around back a girl, so you know business about me. That's why I'm not get a great education that I'm supposed to get. Me not let that happen to Britney.
I'm tell you one thing. This education mash up this nation. Where the most of people them in politics now when done, you know. That means they don't mess up the country.
Did
They don't
you
have
not
no
get
balance.
ignorant in this?
And the man say, you see, if some of them people went down, so they told Prime Minister, no leader. So you who don't have no problem, maybe less problem.
You try to listen to him, you know?
Yeah.
Because of him, make me have to drop out of school early. And because of him, he make me find man. Say me because me want love from a male person.
So you could have never want love from me, you're your brother.
And that's what I mean. Yes, because me never have a father figure, a brother figure in my life, none tall. Me have to go road say yes, you're gonna find love a road to see. Alright, them can be man if you get in my life.
Hello, I never was on a road go look love. If you want love, it's still man.
You don't like that big people argument. You may tell
You
us,
see,
girl.
let me tell you something. There's no love like self-love. But anyway, what is love? You know what is love?
Anyways,
A big round circle.
You're in love.
You want to
You're in love now. Same thing.
Stitchy, one. You say
Anyway,
you're gonna fix it.
there are something to do with a man level. Because man is a man level. And bad things are going on. We just start on big pressure cup there. Boy, I eat food and all. Listen up. We don't get things. The two turn like a old upper being sure. This one got a car, this one got a car, this one got a car. But if I buy my girlfriend up the one car first, then we'll buy. Hold on a car. Hold on a car, John.
Them first and then they
No,
drop
because-
it.
No,
When they drop
man.
it, you know where you're going to. The sister this.
No.
The sister that.
Yes, I test them. When I'm in a time plan carry, but it's when you have a good woman and she's young and she's fertile and she tell us to wait until she reach the age of ready to be some picnic and rare. You go walk. You go walk. So, it's a nice girl, cause you go meet her one idea then man. Good, clean skin girl, stout, strong, healthy. So she healthy cause she's promising some youth. We'll get 5 youths on her. One time, right? No, she's a Mandeville.
Hey, cause now listen to you. None of you woman in the young, strong harvest that I live at your mouth.
I don't know about you. I don't know about you, man.
Yeah, you hear me say we come out of big people argument.
I don't know. Anyway, I love permission to deal with that soon forward. But nice soon, of course. Take care of yourself, take care of yourself, take care of yourself. This one gonna car, this one gonna car.
Miss Rose had to call it with you.
I'm going to make her get me touch.
Yeah, what that man do still?
One year, so you can.
Yeah, but no. Go on in. No, but no man no bad no trouble, you know. Everything good. No bad no trouble, you know.
She trouble me.
No, that's that different, man. Because I have some two mirrors or some
So
plates
when you
and
say
done
you're
bad.
going to fix, there's a
Tomorrow, me I come do the column. Me I come like a soldier. Me seen on the road a while ago. When I come around you.
after one piece of food, come give it to at least. And then
You're not going to see me tomorrow by the time we reach here going to school. So you're not going to see
me,
me.
I go to you.
But you go see me because you have to school.
No, let's not
Don't
give
make
her.
school miss you, you know.
Alright.
Don't make school miss
Not
you.
tell him nothing, because you send me out, man, so don't say nothing to him, man. Don't say nothing.
Hello, mommy. Mommy, tell me about you, you know. So when you're born, you see hard life printing in forehead. So what could I do? Push you out there. Because you're hard like you rough. It's when you go out and look at your turn out. You turn to somebody good. That's your working on
I
computer
have
now.
like print out, man, Brittany.
Brittany have flexibility life print out and go flex. And if you
Flex.
go on,
You know what
anyway,
I'm trying to say?
you go dolly.
You're going full of man. That's him.
No, she gonna be a dahlia.
Yeah.
She
full
got
of
dolly.
man. Listen to your brother. Your brother is
Later.
dead.
Later.
You know me, no.
Love uno.
No better, no better.
Balling down.
You make sure you get money coming and come tomorrow. That
This
is
one
good.
get a car, this one get a car, this one get a car.
You don't want a car for you.
And next time I get a car, I'm going to need a car.
Anyways, what else have to tell you, say no, cause?
Alright, so we're going now. 8 feet. Yeah, man, your mark, you know. You have guess the mark, the pen. No, man, don't worry. At the board, you have to cut the last stuff, man. You have to back to it. Wait, first, that's okay.
Don't you know what I mean? Cut it.
You can't cut it?
Yeah.
Go, wait. Put the pan in first. Put it on the pan in. Pan man. Make sure you line, don't put in line. Go back to here. Yeah, start and then push it. Sam, I just pick up the ply and I touch the. You see, that's why the tool is important, you know. When the man in teeth will like tool for work with, you see? This is what happens. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have to short on the work and now. Estimate. Just drag it across and so on. Yeah, man.
You know. Say that.
What's going on now?
So every day, you know. You gotta work in the sun, you know.
Good.
Every money we get.
Yeah.
A week time we give woman.
Yeah.
I tell him say every day work and tell him go anyone wogi.
Well, she work?
Eh?
She not work.
No?
Why she not work?
Because she has said, you know I go work on the shop in pay in another.
So I'm saying now work in personal life.
Boy, let me come up to you know.
You turn up so no one kneel to kneel.
Yo, daddy, hear me? I can't manage my work, you know. But listen me. The thank you for teach me trade, you see me?
This is very important, you know.
Right now, daddy, I have one in the yard and pick me a yard to feed. Now, right now, I better go to the scam, chop the line. You see me? I go rob people.
Been down that road already, you know. Go down the road already. And not for my friend them. Now make it, right? So I make a choice, learn a trade. And by learning a trade, doors open, apart. You have things now. You get big building for do, plaza. You get section of hotel for build, right? How about them get 2 houses to build? Because that's not easy. Good for learning trade, daddy. Because end of the day, make you a man. But I can't tell you what to do, you know. You're the own man, you have to make your own decision. Anyway, they are going to clear off them work here.
But daddy, this is what I say. Back in a few time, you know, you did.
Hello. Good morning.
I wear school bag there.
In my shop.
Maybe buy my shop. So even if you have one or two little tape and you like carry bag with your glass cooler and you walk with the book in your hand.
You know want that again? Let's go back to my shop. I say I can bunny me one.
How much is that bag that we're talking about right now?
35,000.
No, sir. Your chest higher than Sky Mountain. You're crazy. You know what you do? You go back upstairs and take up that bag where you have up there and use it go to school with. Oh, the transport bag when I make an agreement with.
No, it's Psycho Bunny.
Which bag you talking about?
It's Psycho Bunny.
Hey, Jesus Christ. I want to tell you the name, sir.
No one bag name so.
Are you choosing a book in your hand? You have one bag upstairs now, and I can't say now one little tear the panny bag, you know, just because it's tear, you come and go one like a bag make your gas full. A bag make your gas full. You see if your grades and it add up to you how you look, it's a bad and not so bad. Your grades are not even high as the way how you look. You're not Clark shoes and you want to wear cycle body, but listen to me, little girl. You better you move from front of me. Where you want me to get the money from? Go thief? Or you want me to sell me parts to get it for you? Where me to get that from? Eh? Me only can buy a little $5,000 transport. Me don't have it. What do you think some me I do? I work very hard over there and I call. You don't have the money for the waste my foolishness. Go to school, go think about your book. Even if you walk with the book them in your hand, and that day we focus on. But friend this, friend that. Everything friend do you have in it too. You better you move in front of me. You better love.
Alright, make it stay. Me go to school later.
I thought me balling.
Aliyah.
How that?
Brittany.
How you look so?
I'm in need.
In need of what?
One school bag because my sister no want buy me none. Me tell her to buy me one. She say too expensive. That's why I come up here to ask if I could buy me one because I can't carry my book in my hands to go to school every day.
So that's why she make you carry a book in her hand, in your hand?
Yeah.
Alright, yo. I don't have much money, you know, but me I go help you.
Alright.
Maybe me can buy you one of them liquor, matey bag there, transport or whatever. But I enough money me have, you know. Alright, me I go for money and come. Alright, this is $3,500. I don't really have much, as I said, I really have much money this morning. I want a little money, but I have to take care of my business. Because if I'm not doing the money not really have flow. But I work on it still, you know. But I hope this can help you. So just make it work.
Alright. Well, I put on this money here because if I go want a cycle bunny and this can buy it, then I go find a like, boyfriend or see if he can help me out with this still. But I have a question to ask you. How when you have an age you start have sex?
Well, to tell you the truth, I think I went around 8 or 9, one of them. I don't really remember because a long time that.
Oh, the reason why I ask is because my one boyfriend, you know, so when I take things from a man, they want back for you, understand?
Yeah, me know that.
So that's why I ask. Because I'm 15 plus now, and I kind of, you know, if you know what I mean.
Kind of what?
Have the feeling there.
Oh,
So, is it hot?
kind of question that.
Me ask because I've been there before, been there, done that.
So if me a 9 or 8, whatever, when do you remember my age? You know, I must hot.
Oh,
Remember the time that me have big body, you know. Big body. So I sound big man. Whenever I used to live with no little boy, big man. So I expect say it a hot.
Jesus Christ. Well, me no no big man. I'm a little boy.
Alright then. Me a keep over time. Come go to school and me have a whole heap of things in the house, you know.
Alright, later. Thanks for money again.
Alright.
Wait, let me figure out for ask. What's about the godmother there?
You know, say she gone from early this morning. She gone from the road with the deacon and so all the church people.
Alright, later sis.
Alright.
Tell her how the time she come back.
Alright.
Yo, pastor, son. Tap you know. You know some top here, some dudes in the community though. You cannot do that. What you mean? I make you all like offering money in the church, you know. And I go like a bank, I go in a pocket, I go, you know. We stop here some dudes. You hear me? I tell you now.
You go on with your badness, me go pray for you.
Pray, but now when you pray for me, you can't
You
take
want
out.
some prayer?
Listen to me now. You can't take out this demon in me because look what put the palm in my hand. 100 dope in the palm in my hand. You hear me? I tell you.
Young man, you need to go in church.
Sir, stop them about church. And money me I talk about. How church come to this? If you stop here some dudes, for the young youth them. That's how we are suffering in Gideon. We do not do nothing.
Listen.
Listen to me. We do not do nothing for you. They want to go around and talk about church service, church this and that. When we are dead for hungry.
Where you think badness gonna put you? Is he either in jail or grave house and graveyard? Where you think it will put you? You need to come in church, give your life to God.
God. Yes, that's right. Yes, but listen. When you start running
Look how much
Jews,
things God did for you. Not
Well,
even you.
listen,
we
when
all.
you hungry in church, I think about hallelujah and praise the Lord and wipe sweat. Meanwhile, on the head, I look up to Anna home and them. When you stop it, me know who know.
I'm not gonna do the much talking.
Me need some money.
I'm gonna tell my father about you. You need some
Yo,
prayers.
move for yourself.
Conversation done right.
Go on, move for yourself. Go on, sir.
I go tell my father about it.
Oh, yeah. You start running Jews, we can book up here next time. I'll just phone me and take care. Wait.
Go tell my father about it.
Soon catch you here.
Alright, wait up. Why you booking here and you not have any bag?
No, I'm not in a school bag.
You know what me do? I'm a pastor son.
Oh.
I always see around the place and I always have my eyes on you. Very nice though. Class city. But why you not have a bag though?
Because my sister don't want to buy me no bag.
Why your sister no want to buy you?
I don't know, she say too expensive.
Wow. Well, I could buy you one still.
But no. But I love that.
They have one of them things.
Yeah, me have a button every day to school.
You can get your number then. But me never give them a name though. Name Ocho.
Okay, I'm Brittany.
So what time you have come from school?
Maybe around 3 o'clock.
Well, probably go fasting still, so and if I come back, if I could give you a check or something, that good.
Yeah, that good.
Well, maybe I go fasting today still with my father, so I wonder say if I come back in time, if I could give you a check, that good.
Yeah, that alright.
By the way, do you have a boyfriend?
No. You have a girlfriend?
No, not this moment.
Alright
Well,
then.
that sounds good still, but I don't want to hold up your time, so later I give you a call or give you a check.
Alright.
Nice meeting you.
Hello?
Hello, morning sis.
Morning, morning.
Oh, you not buy no bag give it for your school.
Which bag? Why are you talking about now?
No, she come up here this morning come check me say she asked if you buy one bag for her and you not buy no bag for her.
Me nah no money for buy Britney no Psycho Bunny bag.
Me not hear that you know. Hello? Yeah, me I hear you now. Yes, you know. Psycho Bunny, yeah, me know. She tell me. You have to buy her what she want, you know that. I mean, know your mother send money come from over Sophia. And you still not buy her a bag. And you make, yes, anyhow she go out there, go find man and do no out there way. And your fault, you know.
Well, if she want to take man that a fair business, Ngalan go take it. Me ain't buy him Psycho Bunny bag. Me no have it.
No, remember you are working, so you can't use the money where your mother send for buy the bag. And you must can get if I even want $500 or $700 for go to school out of your money.
Me don't have it. Where if you say me I brought Britney bag just because mommy I send little money from foreign. I work woman after they work hard, you know.
But sis, where you think Pitney I go do you now? What am I gonna do?
Listen to me. Britney at eat food. Britney at go school. And Britney at do a bag making learn.
Gas school with the book there in your hand? You know what them nowadays Pitney are they heighty and when she a go to school with John's World bag now, everybody go laugh, look on her like you have to just get her what she want.
Yeah. Britney asked the Clark shoes, me give him Clark shoes. I know Britney a come and ask me for Psycho Bunny bag. Like saying things the money broke and tree me for shake off money off a tree and just buy everything we want.
Anyway, don't have a Britney argument. What one? Alright, me I'll go and check you one of them there, you know. Alright, look at more.
Hello? Yeah, me there yard. I do some exercise there. Where else I go? You can check there now? Alright, then forward. Alright. You do all just come in. Mm-hmm. look good around. Yeah, you gotta get that hot them. And our ties. How that? Me who? In our name? How? What answers? Me I come. Me not tell us I place open girls. Chop.
I don't feel like being there, no.
I'm gonna stand me one in there. What me buy? No, that was like a sister now. What happened?
Come here, sit down and talk to you.
Everything I'm in there. What?
Come here, sit down and talk to you.
I didn't even know what come to me. I go here, go with them about happen.
Because you don't like your heart sometimes.
Everybody feel good right now. I'm just doing full body exercise. Yeah, you know.
You love your body feeling.
Well, I'm just on the phone. And then look each other, they want to call and bring me up. What one?
Move this foot over there, son.
Come with a banana and they want to know what happened.
You lucky you feel nice now.
Some of them must feel nice, girl. I want.
You don't know, say. My godmother put me out.
So, how you could have known think you girl, I'm careless to get yourself in that shop. You can't just relax. What you do now?
So me have to do something. Deacon want me. So that's why she kicked me out. And she said Deacon want me, I don't want she. So that's why.
So you tell me say I really Deacon. Make it one when I get along with him a bit cute. Girl, and like church again. With your body part now. I can't take it.
Sis, I'm in need of your help. Are you really sitting this all off? Right now, some me I look for stay. You can't put me up. For a couple of days.
You don't know already, say. My home is your home. Anytime you need help, I'll be there for you. But me I tell you, God Almighty, truth now, Aliyah. You need to stop with the bagger man business. Give it a break, no man. True. See then now you make auntie kick you out over Deacon. Deacon, man, we're in a church. Come on, no man. You know me love you. To me heart and back. Let go the man them, no man. Give man them a break. Think about your life. Set up yourself. Think about businesses. See there you go from house to house to house till you reach in a church.
Oh God, sister. Long time I see you. Oh, you care for me now?
You know care nothing for you, man. Go hold a seat, man. Go hold a seat now.
I never hear me there ask nothing.
Sure, man.
You know, so I'm not care nothing there now.
You hear me, I say? Hurry yourself, I saw buy you one school bag. Because I saw a nice one, don't hurry. One gold and pink one. So, I'm going to try to get that for you before you eat done. You have lunch money?
No, I'm not lunch money.
So you never tell me? Later, here?
Alright, later. Alright. Alright. Sis. Meet my boyfriend.
Good evening.
Even Joe, I know him, and I introduce him to him. I already know him. And all the time I did that fish roll and I see you. Nobody did the next week. But anyway, so sit down now. Ciao. Lady, give me back my things. Oh, sorry. Well, give me a minute to put up this, properly, because it's very expensive, And that's when we get to work from home.
If you don't see a pasta, son?
Me say, you don't have to tell me nothing about Buju. Me know him.
Oh.
And to tell you the truth, me kind of proud of you. You choose the right one. You first in your life.
Yeah, someone nice money in be. I'm say compliment still.
Anyways, me kind of tired of hear for your voice. Me hear it from the day you're born. Shut up. What Buju?
You know, some day I go on easy back, you know?
Anyways, me don't cut you enough. But one upstairs go deal with something and me and Buju have a one-on-one.
So what you want to chat to him for?
One upstairs.
It's no problem.
You know, you come closer. So where you are with my sister, you know?
Well, you know, something like half sister do. You see me? And I promise say anything she want me, I'll try my best to make sure so she get it. You see me? Because I really love her.
I'm glad say she find somebody who actually I go put her first in everything when I do. And I like attitude and everything. And in this community, I know you as a good youth. I don't know, see me and live with me at two different something. But I know you as a good youth. Your mother talk good about you. Your people them in your peers them in the community talk good about you. And you always a hustle for a young youth. So, I have a problem with you. But try to mess yourself with my sister. Although I can get along above head sometimes. I'm my little sister. Me do something very dangerous for my little sister. Try know that. But everything cool, man. I have no problem against you. You're a good youth.
Well, as I tell her, say, I do my best. I don't do nothing for her at all. Just how do the right thing.
Alright, no problem. So, I can call her back downstairs. Cause if you did down here, one piece of chatting you like and like butting you and this, that. I will probably kick off. That's why I'm sending him up. So, no problem, and no issue with you. Just keep the way I do and put my sister first, no matter what situation. I mean, why you say I have one bag of girl, I run up this and run up that and sit down comfort. Although I don't know you as that. You see me? Don't do it with my sister. Try with somebody else. Heart or something we're very cherishing. Cherish my sister one. Although my crosses to me. But cherish him. Alright.
Yeah, man, I promise I will do it right. So you can call her back now.
Brittany!
Yeah.
Come downstairs now, girl.
Alright.
You can have back your boyfriend.
I like saying he gone away.
You see me at that boy? You can't see if I can work on that for me? Please.
I'll fix her, man.
Anyways, I can't leave now, you know, because I'm busy working.
Which of that would you go do?
My pause to talk to him, so bye.
Go on.
Alright.
Come on, no way, Chevy.
I'm not coming back home late tonight, coming up, pull no grill for him. Alright.
Alright.
Now look about him. At least a boy I will try to change him. Try. So now go on with. So I want to call me boy now. What problem? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What you say, kidney? So wait then. You not go can't do that because none of them is near right now. And you know it best somebody to deal with that right now, you know who? Cousin Popeye. Me nah no kidney. Me nah none. No, me nah none. No, don't mix me. I don't have no kidney. No. So how do they talk about me? No man, me have better somebody than me. If me kidney them I go feel him. As you know put in he probably dead. Me I tell you no. My kidney I go feel. But use the Popeye kidney. Popeye kidney are best kidney for use right now. Hello, there's no questioning about that. No question. Cause you have a problem with it?
We talk already. Say we didn't go use your kidney because as a fire said to me, say you're healthy. So your kidney.
Me sick as Ross. Nobody now use me kidney. Me sick. Me kidney we kill people. Me I tell her as I put in kidney in a nobody body then dead. You say Popeye. Say I couldn't not hear me I say. That means me don't want it. How much you know how much up me life right now? No man see me, I can't, any man get me right now, me can't get a baby. How alone man? No, me ain't that. You see Papa, he trying, he healthy, and plus he love give in body parts. Me say it already, you know, he say, him willing to give him body parts to anybody in need. Yeah, kind of money.
And right now she in need desperately. So as long as she get it, my mother go feel good to know that her sister in need of a kidney is well and okay. So just do that, and I will definitely take a money out of the account and give them. Just tell them say everything good for them. I agree to it and alright?
No problem, no issue. I tell her that, no issue. Popeye willingly will do a kidney transplant in love give him body parts. That's why I have a love you, girl.
So, wanna do one out of them, a man give you, and up your cool, and we go all a bit and now. We're so glad that's all. We're going to call my mother and tell her, sister, it's gonna be okay.
Yeah, man. I get the kidney from Popeye. Alright, may I shout him right now too, so he can know.
When you come, I hear the man, I want to know carry free daddy. I've been telling you what I'm going to do. And this is the one I'm going to bring up. I don't want, no, we don't want that one. They give this much problem. We go keep you getting over there. You go give me belly out there.
Anyways, me have to get to work. I work, as far as you can see, I work my day at work, so later. Yeah.
Anything one, go to a family union.
Aye.
Everybody dead, you know, that's how we come together. If anybody dead, we come together and kill rock and goat and beef.
Yeah, aye. No problem. Later. Jesus Christ. Boy, I never tell Papa this. They want to take my kidney. I don't know, bright. Yes. I call him there. Well, I call him. Let me call him. What, bro? You know something I come over here and come check me. Yeah, man, no hitch. Cause a serious situation. I know you're willing to do it. So come. Alright. Yeah. You come here. Give me lungs. Oi! Iggy, let me come. Come, my cousin.
Well, I only cousin with him. I treat me like a brother. What's your house big? How your house big?
Calm down now. What?
My God.
Well, I see it, man.
Why? Yes, it feel good.
Yes, my cousin, man. Come up in that, man. Me no problem. You're good, though.
Yeah.
How long me not see you?
Well, I tell you.
Jesus, I look good. I tell you, what you want to drink?
Anything you have done, because I do feel good. You know, I chip like a real family. They say chip like a so. Why you only hold on to your man, but I say go. So we have a set of family, we set a piece of. But anyway, you will drink what you have now, please.
Alright. Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. I'm going to the kitchen. I'll get the drinks here. Keep yourself comfortable, man. You see what you like in here? What you want?
But I take this
Look
down.
on that today. I want drinks more guys like that tonight.
That can't hold this, but can't hold them like a full cup. Yeah.
Sparkling grape juice. I get to know why. Yeah, man. I still love you, my cousin. I still love you.
Because it's a sparkling can grape water, not juice. What they do here?
Tastes good though.
Now let's start by the next.
Nice for your stomach.
You know how me pour up your back juice and feel pan.
200 my cousin. I enjoy yourself. Me like where you look, man. You look fat like I take girl in my road that take care of you.
The girl might take the clothes coming out of money.
Yourself, man. Money's half run. Y'all get enough money when we done. Enough money.
No!
No!
That's it. That's what I'm saying now. So you call me. I know it's money night now. Because I say, yeah. And they call me money. 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 That's what I like here.
Now worry, my cousin. Go and drink your juice, man. I wait till I don't drink your juice. When the juice finish and everything, then me hold like a money argument with you. You know, a money argument I got tough for your pocket. Girl, man, run you down when me done with you. Alright, you can take time. I'll push your entire back down your throat.
I want to me your money. I mean, if you don't do juice, then they can't hear. I don't think I want no more.
Alright.
And the money more I hear about this.
Alright, my cousin. Red start here now.
So, what I let me come? Let me come closer, can you see? When they come on to money. Look like you come to tobacco.
No, leave on me now. Because this dental, everything else, then me in trouble. And money that.
You can't make it. For your house, man. Mansion, you know. Where look at sister?
You know what I'm saying? Now, with your boyfriend.
You still make a look at pretty tail, man.
You can't tap him. Mommy, if you do, Papa. Mommy, if you do.
Put the pine wall.
No, man, you can't tap him. Anyways. Alright. So, we did a whole You know, we hold the family meeting. Maybe I try to call you, but me find out say you don't have no phone. You understand? You don't know what
service, no phone, man. No service, me
How?
I WhatsApp you check come back?
Yes.
Well, me no service.
But anyways, we hold a family meeting and we find out say Auntie Johnson kidney. They feel him.
If you feel him long time, I love people mix. Hey, I never see a woman I love mix up so. Thank God.
Well, my cousin we make a decision there. But that's how we didn't want in a group, you know. I want a nice decision for you because at the end of it you get a piece of food.
So, big piece of money.
Yes, so a big piece of food for you.
So, we'll kill her.
No, I know.
I'm thinking they'll kill her and take insurance money. Because I know it's a long time she be dead still, you know.
You know, say, and something totally different, my cousin.
Oh.
Let me talk to you.
Yeah,
Your
nice.
fingernail look nice.
You never go so nice. Nowadays, I want me.
Could I? Your fingernail pretty.
Yeah, because we not get no hard work.
You clean and everything, and plus the money where I'll get and make you cleaner. You hear?
Well, people close it up.
So, we make one decision, Lee.
So, where is about the money now? Where's that now?
No, because at the end of the day, you're going to get enough money when this argument is done with. You know, say, Auntie Johnson, that we did in a group that I talk about, Auntie Johnson, kidney. I feel him and he need one new kidney. And
a long time that you feel that, man. So, where you going to find kidney? And that's what I get now, you know?
I said, come in and get one thing for dead.
Long time chat people business too much, man. Me beg you, man, $50, man, call the whole family member.
For true?
But borrow 50. You must be mad.
Well, me don't know how you gonna feel about the fact, say.
You now send me back no more money anymore, dead?
Something like that? Yeah, man. Because...
I'm sorry, bad man. I'm sorry, God no.
But he's not dead yet. Are you gonna save him?
You can't save him. My family is Superman.
Let me tell you how you are gonna save him now. After your kidney, we are gonna give him.
You must be mad! Sis! You're mad! Sacrifice you! Me! You're mad! Why not?
Calm down!
Why? Don't tell me calm down.
Calm down!
Listen to me. Why out of every one of the family member? Why you not here? Few kidney members of your fat.
Me not that healthy. You're healthy, you're stronger, you're young.
So that you sit down in a group and talk about what I miss. What a good thing in the answer call and light up the whole family in that group. Let me tell you this. You me poor, when you want to sacrifice it up, so you have this big house here. When you go and sacrifice the family member them.
I no sacrifice, I save you, I save your healthy life. You don't want more money from foreign.
Save your life. Me think man in $20 and $50 can stand one day. Listen,
But we already decided and say you're not
just as long as you see me, you don't know me. And don't call me phone. Never again. Me know your cousin. Please, I beg you.
Me know your sister, you call me. No sister, you call me.
When me know your sister and brother Naya, she's a wicked, you're really wicked. What? Take off me kitchen. I'm going to be mad.
Papa, no bad. Papa, no bad.
Take off me clothes, though.
No bad. Papa, no bad. No bad. No bad. Jesus, what a bitch ugly. Mercy me. I'm going to tell the people now. But then I get my kidney they want to take.
So are you alone there? Your sister not here tonight?
No, she'll be here.
So we'll go to sit down and talk.
Sit down.
But different next day. You know, say you need to come in church with me though. Not even one Sunday I can't come to church.
What do you think about it?
You know Daddy would have feel good if he see you come to church.
Maybe Sunday I come on forward at church, I'm not sure.
Jesus is so good too, you know.
You know.
You know much things he do for you? Eh? God no, it's good if you come to church on Sunday. I know you're kind of sad now because you had a hurricane thing, but that's one of the reasons I'm there, so I can chill out there for a little while. My father gone, they call him thing there. They look a night service, I don't remember what name. But I tell him say I stay, because I tell me say I don't feel good, so I come stay out there. I hope you feel better though. Which I never remember still, but I would have rubbed olive oil on your forehead and pray for you. You have olive oil over here?
No, I'm not from olive oil.
Right. So I think it's a great idea what Daddy has said.
Look here, great idea. Wait for that to that foolishness. Just to sit down and trust in it. How good I am got finished up.
Yeah, we can do that, no problem. But no sex though.
You can't tell me that. Yes, eh? Eh?
Go crown her. Oh my God. Amen.
Seriously, how do it? Yes, eh?
Eh? Let's try. Wow.
It's your first time I do it. What's so bad?
More try again though.
Anytime.
That journey. Well, as we said the first time I never do but I'll go and try it again. But tomorrow, if I get the chance, probably give a check still. I'm not sure if I get the chance. But I'll go away before your sister come and smell nothing come on me or so. So just follow me back out of the and then I'll be and fresh up and calm from the cars.
What's that? Babes, how are you there? You know, say Brittany not there? You can't come check me? Yeah, you was free now. I'm hope you can wear your care for me.
Yeah. Alright, hurry up and come. And about top of road with a girl. Alright.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, may I come?
Wait, you know.
I'm coming.
Yeah, man. Long time I not see you.
Then the other day, overseas they expect.
Yeah, but me not care about nothing for you. Not care about nothing for you, no. Cause things not going over there, you see.
One
So one boy.
Alright.
Alright, not to see.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Get this story. So one boy got thump in her face. And they said me done, so nothing no go on for me. And everything when me do plan for you no work out. Something I know you can do for me, you know. If you can give me a money still, you know. When I go up on the road or something. Cause I'm feel frustrated.
So exactly what happened? What caused that day? Where for your thumb people and them face? What caused you to do that day?
You know time to go something, ma.
Simply that?
Yeah.
You hear me always tell us you're too ignorant, man.
Remember we Jamaican not take talking like them, you know, be you have to understand.
Yeah, but they can't go overseas to do that.
Remember say we Jamaican not to take talk like them, you know, be you have to understand, you know. Cause if a man tell me if you suck my mother, you know, go pretty, you know. And that me I try to show you.
But you can't so ignorant. Anyways, me get a piece of food from mother. Luckily.
How much money that? Make sure enough, you know.
Never get a little bit of money yet?
Yeah, last time I 16,000 you give me, you know, be I tell you say that can't do me, you know. So you mean by
Then what about the money when me give you to go overseas? What about the money when me give you to buy a class and them say that is 16,000? No, me give 16,000 for lunch money.
Boy, oh boy. Alright, put that one side.
Anyways, me have 200k.
No man, more 500.
At 200 me have.
Line up 3 more penny.
Alright, then me hold that until the time and you forget that. Then.
Make sure, you know, cause right now my time I waste, you know.
You
I
think
don't
I'm
want to
wasting
reach by Sunday tomorrow.
A woman I have?
I'm not get money.
A woman I have?
No man, I mean be me not know woman.
I don't know if you don't know what. Talk to me, a woman I
I don't
have?
have any woman be. Just easier say no man, cool down.
Trying to ramp with me now.
You don't know a thing set man. Cool down man.
Anyways, I'll hold the 2k until me get the other 3. You get it. Can you see a vibe? So what you gonna do there now?
What may I do with you? You know. The first one may I take you by one gun. Yeah.
Anyways, Brittany not there here, so come on, go do the other fast. Before I get late.
May I tell you man?
Enjoy yourself.
I'm going to put on the bed car.
That then tell you, channel you give nobody in this, you know.
Ain't nobody man.
Anyways.
No.
I will call to mommy and something, and arrange something there. So, you call her when you come.
Hey, that's it man. May I do that man?
Better lock up it. I'm not bad at fine. Anyways, come. Every time I miss
Look
you.
at my babes. I see no game body.
Never. Cause you make it like you're Miss Sugar Stick. So come on. Just watch it for yeah. Call that woman because my man have to get you money. What, mommy? Me there, you know? Brittany gone down your road, gone deal with something. I just after 7, remember so over there time more higher. You know me not making up on the road. Of course me give him what he's supposed to get. Me give him the 200,000 you send and say if you go to school with you and so. Me give him that already, man. But the thing is, the last one where you send other day, yeah, the one where you sent like 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Yeah, the one where you sent me if you use PFE in book them and all type of something. Then I stick me up and rob me. I don't know who did that watch me when me did that go for money. As me dry out of Western Union, so I not even get to come my yard really good. But mommy, anyways, me I gonna need one because in school fee them and in book them a come up hard I know. Yeah. And you know say very important. Plus I some time to pay in CXC them. So me I gonna need one 500,000 from you. Yeah. That I have to pay for in CXC them and to make sure say you have book and something and to buy me in Psycho Bunny bag as well. A 50k for Psycho Bunny. Yeah man. Yeah, send it when? As early as 5. If you can send it tomorrow, send it. Alright, night afternoon. Alright. Thanks, mommy. I love how you take care of your daughter. Me make sure so she eat, man. Make sure me take care of Brittany. Yeah. Yeah, see, take a picture of Clark shoes and give me it so I can send it to you. Me take care of him, man. Alright, mommy. Later. Me call him and I make him.
I go on party.
Hello.
I see how they am see I'm like you do.
It's me, you like me?
Because we done this, you know. No.
Oh, I don't know where I don't know where them live for true.
Good morning, Mr. Brown. You good? Yeah, man. I know say cruise ship kind of ready for me though. We don't want my friends to paint up before. Me go here, see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look away. And you grill them. You need to get started out as well. Yeah, before you paint, you have to sand it down and take out some of the rust part out of it. Yeah, man. So when you can come? Alright then. When you come, just let me know, yeah? Me there, man. Now left until about next week. Yes, man. Let's go with the price, man. I don't know if I can pay that because ship me up and I don't know ship make money. Alright. Yeah, man, the family good, man. Mother alright, everybody alright, father alright. My sister, she good, man. Alright. Yeah, me there. Alright then, until then. I'm going, you good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, take care of yourself. Wow. Stickers are nice. Man, they really can't give me a... Gosh.
Alright, no, you can go on back around.
So why you run me so fast? How who you go check? So why you run me down so fast? First of all, I know say a man I go trick. You not fi hide it. Me don't know that already. You can't just talk because I don't think it's already. Yeah, our man me I go check. But me know you know who me I go check. Go on done. When me I come me buy something for you. You want? Me want come, me no want nothing. You know how me just good on your ear. Care about one pizza for me or one burger? Yeah. Alright, later. Alright.
Hey, Wam.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
You think I go there, good?
Also, she a goat. But I'm probably go to road.
But anyway, girl, let me see you walk with you. Your friend?
Yeah, my friend.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can't put into word for me. I let me get your number.
Yeah, man. You do it right.
Make sure you know.
You know, say my sister though, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
She come down and me here come visit once in a blue moon. Yeah.
So she'll come back later or tomorrow?
Of course, she'll come back later.
So you can do that for me?
Yeah.
And come link me and give me the number. I can call her. Alright then.
Hey baby.
Oh God.
Damn, my mind run fine, so I just give you a call, you know what I mean?
I could do.
Yeah, daddy no day running, you know, in Ghana, night, you know, me always tell us I'm go. So me I wonder say I could have come over because that the thing they will give me one day. Although I never want to do it. I just in love with him and do it again.
Alright, well, I'm going to check if my big sister they here because I'm not really sure.
Alright, so check and let me know if now is the right time.
Alright.
Because I'm ready.
Alright. Ashford Allen. Sister. Where she is?
She came up to she gone for the word. Father, you know, she move.
Oh. Alright, we can call her. Yeah.
How we talk to?
You know, say pastor son got my boyfriend.
Bojo?
Yeah.
A good boy that one. Come next yourself, you know.
Come on.
No, he's on. He's on.
Yeah, don't
No, not like that.
but let's stay steady.
Go back and go. Use on it. Come.
The one I give vibes.
The one I give, yeah.
No, you're gone.
No. Now make it ugly. Go your black.
You're not fair this is
Error.
You out here. Yes,
Use one different one.
but the one is nice.
You call nice.
This. What you call nice, no nice, you know.
Use this. Okay. Use the one.
The one is nice, too, you know.
Use this. Girl, this make a look good today. The girl. The nice, you see?
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Because what you like, me not like, and what me like, you don't like. Yeah, this one thing is okay. Well, anyways, you know, something else I tell you
Oh.
about one boy, one youth. He tell me say he like you. He named Tony.
Where are you come from?
Run the road you live, man. You have one big house, run the road. I say that way past there, so I'm going to show you your house. Yeah, me know say you know who me a chat, but maybe I pick up your name or something like that.
When you say run the road, what do you mean? We around?
Run a back road.
Oh, back road. Hold on, you know see me have something to say to you though, but you don't say to nobody, you know.
Alright.
You know say, me and Deacon dey fit through.
Jesus.
But nobody know.
You know?
And I first somebody me tell say, you know. So if me hear back, I you chatty.
For our day, me hear everybody chat about that, but anyways, a secret safe with me. Back to what me there say. You want me set the link or not? You have money, you know? As me I say, my friend like that, they will come from far and he have money. He work on ship overseas, so you know say the big bad US them you get. That's why I said that's why I gonna set a link for you. So when time I get the money, you can give me some of the money.
You have money, you know. But that not say, you see Deacon, I want jealous man.
Right now, best thing for you do. They will do two of them getting money, build a house because you can't do your favor. You can't catch a people place, so you have to have a house for yourself. I best thing for you do right now. There's no other way out. But I don't see, heart no leap. And when you know, don't hurt you. So him not have to know about it. The deacon not have to know about it. At least you can have one man who have money and a USA I get to know like I old Jamaican dollar where I get from the deacon. You get enough of money from him. If you get money from the deacon, you get money from him same way. Just think about it, my girl. That best thing for you right now.
Alright then. Okay. Just give me number. Let me see how it play out.
Alright. Hello? Alright. Yeah. So good.
Good night. How was on?
You're good?
Yeah, man, good.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Come on. Big sis, we come home up as well here.
Alright.
Yeah. Run.
That one was great.
Yeah.
But you know, me have something to say though.
Well,
You know, say next time I do it, we have to use protection.
oh, not true.
But you can't buy that though. They're not going to sell me a shop. I say most people in our community know me. And they know me, say a pastor son. So that will work. But we have to use protection though.
No, you die.
Alright then.
Yeah. So come on.
You know the lock no.
I thought we had talk so Mama? Yeah, conversation I feel like
I have fix up.
no, come and sit down. You sit down upstairs.
Alright, later.
Alright.
What if you're fasting Wednesday?
Alright, later.
Alright.
I go up upstairs.
Yeah, go bed. Hello? Yeah, 20. Yeah, man, my good man. What me call if you say is not because you get you on the first date doesn't mean everything say me want easy girl, you know. It's just because me like you and the vibes is nice. If I never saw, you would get you for around 2-3 months or so. Yeah. Anyway, we still on for tonight. Come here, want me pick up one black dress now. And I can wear. And as I tell you, remember I know I show you a little so I have a jealous boyfriend. Yeah, so you can just pick me up and drop me off out the road. Let me walk come on like you, Joe. Yeah, and I remember I tell you I go think about the movie in video. Yeah, what I go say now, I don't think it's go possible now. Because I remember you know, he can jealous. And he go on there around me all the while. I'm not really yet ready to live up on my sister right now. But maybe go and come. Yeah, I hope you understand. Anyway, me see you later then.
Nah, to hold up a time do stay no mama. You know, so I like you do a single.
Well, I have a boyfriend now, when named Tony, but the relationship not so steady. So you single?
You know, so I kind of have one little girl done, so I have to give me money. I go eat that girl. $500,000 no mama. I tell you, you know.
What's the girl right there?
See her here, man. Show you. See her here, man. Big media, man.
I'm a sister that.
Yeah, Sacho.
Yeah, I'm a sister. Yeah, I'm a sister that. We live down there in a big house down there lane down there so. Live with our sister named Brittany. Now she say one.
Yeah, man. The man and she said one, man.
Right now I'm done, them go tell my sister because I can't believe this. My sister can't turn no yammed for no boy. My sister now be no yammed for no boy.
Watch out, mama. I can't pay you, just keep your mouth, no, mama. Watch out, now. Hold on for $1,000.
How we get $1,000? Me know. Aye. Don't
So
make me mouth fire like an M16, you know.
How much more you want?
Send on money.
Just. Hold on for this.
We have a deal. Nice doing business with you. Alright.
Remember, you know, mama, just keep your mouth, you know. Here.
Come now, girl. Come. Come in, no say you. Come now, girl. Come in, no say you. Sure.
Hello, let's be a door open.
I don't give the door open, but you ain't all this money already reach for my veranda. So like I mix up with you, no girl.
I come closer.
What you have to tell me, say? The family look nice though.
So what you have to do, Monso? I swear, you have to tell. Girl, I couldn't tell me you're such a good man you have.
So you know my boyfriend?
Know yourself.
I know why you're too close to him because you're a man snatcher.
But just come to tell us here that one they deserve. You deserve him. You have to keep that one, you have to
I
mind
know,
that
girl.
one.
They never tell me I'm a good man that.
Me aim to do all our plans, say, our wedding I go keep.
So why would you tell me that? You just spoil the surprise. You just
Because God tell us that we keep a good man. A good man.
A bad man, they can't tell me. All them someday.
I'm sister and
Sure. Woman know, girl. I
Keep him.
Hey, put it in bed, so. That's why I give him anything I have. Anything at all. But we can't get half of what I give him.
Oh, so I give my money.
I mean, I must take care of my man, girl. What do you? It is a man, I can't take care of
But I am a man.
I come and me and come discriminate me.
No. You don't put no food on there.
Me not feed people with bad mind me.
Me have money in my pocket can buy food.
How is money work now? Girl, I get money. Come and know you're poor now.
The one day some need to know and you to never find out.
So what make me can't find out?
No, sorry, you can't find out the one day.
I hope my man in the come and know you're a man snatcher. You love people, man.
You see, look at more now, little boy.
And I look up, what do you? Boy, nice, my man, nice.
Look for Ireland, my man must have 30 other over.
Oh, that's why I like kill you with the lake.
None of them ever catch me.
No, we can't. You're fast. I like it itself.
Never catch me.
Can't get yourself. But anyways.
So really, I take your money, give boy. And other day, your sister want one bag, you buy the bag here.
You chat too much more while.
No, that's not right. You made girl, that's not right.
Yeah, what all people you made? Man snatcher.
Exactly, at least the money are coming to me now.
Coming to who? Ali can come into you. So look again. Nothing else. I'm Tony like
that's what I do. I make sure fled the crime scene.
I haven't said
None of
nothing.
them can't catch me.
You haven't said nothing.
But you know, you are push out money.
And my man, mine your own business. Get a relationship like mine.
Anyway, I go home, just come tell us if you married the boy, you hear?
Yeah, it's
I married him.
I'm not gonna propose. Let's say happy.
You can't stop shining the police.
Well, I take money, man, no, but I'm gonna catch a beat you. Later. You're fat too.
Man, dream me.
People, man, to be exact. We start drama.
No, say guys life me I live do right now. Remember the girl me tell you about anything more thing me get, you know. Me tell him say more 200,000, you know. He have to call him mother, you know. And his mother have to send him. So me have a girl here. You're fortunate, you know. They can't get it the way there, you know. It's everything I want. I show badness, me get it. You hear me? But listen now, other day I'm gonna do a site work. But that site work too hard. So right now, you better go scam and make some money. See me that, cause that the money there. A lower money. Scamming a higher money. Bigger deal, no business. Yeah, understand? Yeah. Well, it's not a nice thing doing, my friend. Anything you want, you can go find about. Just know a risky you see it. As a virgin, me I tell you, you see it, dog. Yeah. Well, Daddy, you know it's a long time I do business and I just know. The skill and my thing is them. I do things people can't pick up at the police can't find an idea about that. You get me? You right now, son, I get too hot to you, know, child. I come out there, son. Take yourself out there, son, then, man. I know me a bad man, you know. And there's a wine nice son, cause I can't take his son heat. So yeah, I say I know. Me I say right now, she have one little sister down the way I go to school, you see it. But she there down a little church boy, man. Church boy. Different they do, you know.
Woman too want a church boy now, want for them money.
Yeah,
A bad man they want.
Yeah.
Is it?
Cause church boy nah do nothing, man.
Me I tell you.
Nah do a thing, you know, my friend.
So, as I say, when me can circle up a yard there?
Anytime, man, anytime you want forward, man. Don't know me a virgin, no.
A long time I know you too, you know.
Long time, man.
So what you know? You know you a long time, you know me a long time, right? And say nobody touch you, just call
Just
me.
call it.
You see me? Even some of my money where I get
Yeah.
from the person there over there, so you can give me some of my money too, you see it?
Yeah, man.
In a real life. So here what? I show up on the road, you know.
Do it, man.
So I can make up some
Blessings,
food
you
in
know.
idea, yeah.
Blessings, blessings.
Alright.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Now, right? Come on. You just watched the first part of Sisters. Look out for the next part, you know what I mean? Coming shortly. And we have planned to make a move around the island set speed, so look for we in a year town. We have something a plan shortly, you know what I mean? Coming to you live and direct. Let's go.